I have this like work gala thing. Starts at 7:30, I think. Not sure if I need a tie or not, but I'm bringing a clip-on bow tie because I can't tie a real tie. But yeah, it should be interesting. A couple of my coworkers will be there. I guess it's a good networking thing, so it's probably a good idea for me to go. But yeah, that's basically all I have on the menu today. Ooh, I got something in the mail. I think I know what that is. I got a new mic to hopefully make this vlogging a lot easier. That's what I think that is. The only thing I know about this is that it's at the Hyatt Regency, which is like kind of downtownish. That's all I got. I have no idea what food is gonna be there. I think like we're gonna do like events after the food. I don't know what it is though. I'm just going for vibes. So I just got here and I was supposed to get a ticket when I parked in the parking garage, but I didn't get one, so I need to figure out that. But yeah, I don't know, there's a lot of people here, and I think I'm going to use a tie. So good thing I brought this tie. But now when I put it on, I'll feel like think of me as the Six Flags guy, the old Six Flags bald dude, but not in a black suit, in a navy suit with a red tie. That's the kind of energy I give off when I wear this outfit. At least I think. But finally I got it to work. It took me way too long to get that to work. Jeez. There's so many people here, it's sick. But I'm gonna go find, that's Lindsay, she works with me. But I'm gonna go find my coworkers. It's really loud, so I don't know if I'll be able to get any audio. But yeah, that's why I got a mic coming in soon. I got a cab sav. Recently turned into a wine guy, thanks to Olivia and Jessica. But I think we're about to eat dinner right now. There's so many people here, it's insane. I hate it. I don't like it. So at the gala, there's like casino games. So this is craps. There's blackjack. There's roulette over there. I think after we're done eating, we're just gonna, like, they gave us the tokens to like play games, and I think those games are for a raffle at the end of the night. So it should be kind of fun. I tried to explain craps to two of my coworkers. I don't think I explained it very well, but it's a super fun game. So that's probably what I'll play until it's time to leave. I need to figure out my ticket situation, but I'll get there when I get there.
I'm gonna go get a drink. Can we use the drink for the casino? Like later, like when you're out of tickets, do you have to buy drinks?
I think so.
Yeah, maybe Chris, you have to scrouch down.
Last hand.
Last hand?
Last hand.
Oh, hold on.
Is it already recording?
Yeah. I probably should.
I'm gonna just guess until we're under the limit.
Yo, not bad.
Yeah, boy!
Huge.
Nice!
Okay.
Y'all are welcome.
was fun. It was cool. I mean, we had free dinner. Got to hang out with some of the coworkers. There was like a casino at the end. Try to teach them how to play craps. I think I did a poor job about it. Damn, I can't get this off. There we go. But yeah, I mean, it was fun. It was cool. The worst part about things like this is getting out is always takes so long. I've been in line for like, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe trying to get out of this parking garage, but slowly but surely, I guess. Also, I figured out my parking situation, so that's huge. I only paid $12 instead of like $50. Big dub. But don't really have much else going on. I was gonna hang out with John and them, but he said vibes are low, so probably just gonna go home. But tomorrow's a big day, so I guess we just need to watch and find out what happens tomorrow. But in the meantime, I'm gonna peace it, and I'll catch y'all later. See ya.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.